everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at modeling this Mig 1.41. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see here. First, we're going to look at modeling this area right up here, top here. And this bottom half is another section. And then everything else will go along too. But go ahead and look at that top half first. Now the top up here, what I'm seeing right now, just as I'm looking at this is two portions here. So this is one. This is going to be one form, and this is going to be another form after this. So I already have my canvas pictures in here already. So let's go ahead and get started here. Turn the origin back on. Look at this from the front. And what I'm going to do is be modeling this right here. Okay, click Create Form. And I'm going to use a box, this plane here, and the center point about right here. And pull this back. Look at this from the top. Give it some more height faces. Click OK. All right. Look at this from the front. And I'm going to delete these. Now to select all those, just hold down the Shift key. Hit delete after you got them all selected. Same thing for the back. So I never heard of this jet, but once I saw it and knew it existed, I was like, okay, I should look into modeling that. It's actually a cool looking jet also. I'm not sure if it was actually built and actually flown, but it probably was built if I had to guess, and possibly flown. But I've never heard of it. If you have any questions about anything I do on my site, go ahead and leave them down in the comments or go over to my Facebook group or my Patreon site and ask a question there. Or even send me an email. And if you need help modeling, just let me know. Some people have told me that I make this look easy by doing all this, but to be honest, it took me lots and lots of hours of practice. A lot of times, I just sit and draw or sketch different things and just to help me. And when a lot of people ask me to do projects for them and stuff like that, a lot of times I do them just for, even though I'm helping them out, but it helps me too. Helps me to learn and keeps me growing in this. And I've spent countless of hours working on this stuff. And it's funny too sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times, when I go outside or I'm driving in my car or something, I'll see something, some particular shape or whatever, and I think to myself, how would I model that? And it's one way I grow too with Fusion here, thinking of how I'm going to model something. I'll just run through my brain too when I go to sleep at night or try to go to sleep at night. Things just run through my brain. Okay, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do that? Or if something doesn't work out right, then I think, why did that not work out right? Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at this in the box form, which is Alt-1. If you're practicing modeling or want to practice, just select, to me, I think airliners are the easiest types of planes to model then because their fuselages are just a cylinder. So yeah, have a look at them. Get out of this, Alt-3, okay. Go and click OK, finish this. Let me turn these other bodies off. This one. Okay. You cut the canvases off so have a look. Okay. And this is what it looks like so far. Turn the canvases back on. Now I'm going to do an offset plane to here. So I'll come up to construct, offset plane, click this, move this back. About there is good, and click OK. I want to create a sketch on this plane here. Click the plane, create sketch. Actually, finish this. And I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go to form, create form first. Then I'm going to use a cylinder. And I want it on this plane back here. Pull this all the way back. Add more height faces. And click OK. And this body here, right click, opacity, drop this down to about 60%. You can see through it better. Pull this down here. And some people find form modeling difficult. Now, I wouldn't say it's difficult. It's just another tool that you have, and you have to practice with it. Now, depending on the model, I'll decide whether I surface model it or use a form. If I can use a form, I'll use a form because to me, I can model a lot faster. To me, form modeling is faster, so I'll go ahead and use a form. But if I can't use a form, then I'll go ahead and do surface modeling. Just depends on the model itself. And if you like me showing you how to do all this stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. Now, when I was talking about when I'm outside or something, driving in the car, and I see a form or something, and I wonder how I'm going to model that, it's not only airplanes, it's everything that I look at. It could be a lamppost, the way the lights are up on the lamppost or something, or the sign, anything that I see that looks sort of cool. Look at this in the box form. And this is what we have so far. Okay. Now that looks better. Okay. And as you can see from these lines right here, it's flat on the top, round on the side here. It sort of flattens a little right here. Okay. And that's going to do it for this segment of this MIG. And next time when I come back to this, we're going to do the bottom here. So yeah. It's a cool looking jet though. Anyway, go ahead and hit that like button and if you like my videos, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. And also I invite you to join my Patreon site and my Facebook group. Over there I can help you a lot. I can help you more on my Patreon site, so go over there and have a look. Some really nice people on my Facebook group and Patreon site. I really appreciate everybody, all my subscribers here, my Patreons, and people on my Facebook group. And yeah, go have a look over there. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your week, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.